Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to grow green peppers from seed. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep in trays, keep soil moist but not soggy, and maintain 70 degrees F daytime temperatures. Place trays under lights 2-3 inches above seedlings and run lights 14-16 hours daily. Rotate trays twice weekly for even growth and label varieties clearly to avoid mix-ups while seedlings develop sturdy first true leaves. Pot up seedlings into larger containers when they develop 2 true leaves, then harden them off slowly to outdoor conditions. Choose a sunny spot with at least 6 hours of sun, amend soil with compost, and plant so the first true leaves sit just above soil level. Water deeply at planting, mulch to conserve moisture, and keep young plants protected from late cold snaps and hungry pests. Keep consistent moisture without waterlogging by watering at the root zone and mulching heavily to conserve water. Feed plants with a balanced fertilizer every 3-4 weeks and adjust based on leaf color and growth. Prune lower leaves to improve airflow, use stakes or cages for support, and monitor for pests and diseases so you can act quickly if issues appear and protect your peppers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.